I literally hope none of this noise shows up. Like somebody's mowing the lawn, there's cars going back and forth. I'm just trying to shoot a video. And I guess you can't see the box, which was like what I wanted. I don't want to get my whole damn room like... Oh, there it goes. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. And so today I am going to be reviewing this hair from LUVME hair. Is it LUVME or LUVME? I'm thinking like, you know, L-U-V, that's how like the phonetic way to spell love, so I'm thinking it's LUVME hair. But LUVME would be cute. If you know how it's really said, you just, I'm sorry that I'm botching it. I have to say that I am highly impressed with this hair, first off, so I wanted to shoot a review. I have just been touching up all of my units so that I can shoot and film reviews for them. I did buy this hair a while ago. I have to, of course, revert to my phone. When did it say? So I did buy this hair back in October. I was looking for a bob. I had seen lots of ads on Instagram for this company, and me and my girlfriends would send it back and forth to each other like, should we buy this hair? Is it like a legit company? It's not from where we usually buy from. I usually personally buy hair from AliExpress, so let me go over the details for you. This particular unit, unfortunately, is not on their website. Maybe you can email them and ask them to bring it back, but I did buy this in October. It was a very popular unit. In general, I would buy like another bob from them, is the point of this whole review. This is the Mix Color Highlight Bob Wig, middle part. I always get a 13. So 13 is the perimeter circumference of the frontal part, and then by 6 is how deep back it goes, and that way you can get this really deep part that goes all the way back here, and I personally think it looks more natural. Originally this unit was $145. It was $144.90, whatever. So the really cool thing about this website is that you go on there and you can spin the wheel, and I spun the wheel and I got 21% off, really random number. And so it took $30 off. I ended up paying $114. I got free shipping. So I think that that was amazing. I'm trying to see if I can tell you where it shipped from, if the shipping is still there. Yeah, no, I don't remember what shipping company it came from. I don't believe it came from China. I'm pretty sure it came from the States. I want to say probably came in 3 days. I know my memory is like botched. Sorry that I don't have all the details. There's a lot that happened between October and now. I had a great experience with this company. So moving on. So this is the super cute box that it came in. A lot came in the box. So the hair came, it was in a net. And then in this bag, so cute. I think this bow was on the outside of the box. I still have the whole, I think this box is so cute, so I still have it. And it says Helena is the owner of LUVME Hair. I don't know why I even still have that, but I do. And so it came with this pamphlet. And so it comes with all these instructions. And then it has like refund instructions. I thought that was really cute. I actually never read this pamphlet. It has frequently asked questions in here, contact information, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and everything like that. So I was really excited to do this review, and I'm surprised that I didn't do this review sooner because of this goodie bag. This is the best goodie bag I've ever gotten from any supplier. And so it came in this pouch. Now this looks really full because I have my other stuff in here because I love this pouch. So I actually ended up filling it with a bunch of stuff in my purse. But inside of this pouch when it came was 2 elastic bands. I'm actually using one of the elastic bands. I sewed it. Is that a word? Sewed. I've sewn it. Whatever. I weaved it on. It's in this hair, the elastic band. It came with a fine tooth comb, super cute. It came with tweezers, which I did use to tweeze the part, and I tweezed a little bit in the front. I am obsessed. This is probably one of my favorite parts. It came with these really cute clips that don't leave dents in your hair, and so I'm obsessed with them. It came with a 2-pack of caps, wig caps. This is all the way back in October. It came with small bobby pins. This is the size of the bobby pin. I can't show you the packaging because those bobby pins are gone. I used them all probably, and they're scattered all over my purse. Oh, and then this is my favorite thing that came, and I actually would just buy this if I ran out from the company for like ever. So this is their own brand of a wax stick. I had to see what they were calling it. It's not gel. It doesn't leave your hair greasy, but you know, have you ever gotten to the top and there are flyaways? This will slick it back. I'm obsessed with it. You can use it if you're putting your hair in a ponytail. I use it on my natural hair to slick it back. This stuff is amazing, and it's just looks like a deodorant stick. And I can just show you, even though I already put some on. You don't need a lot, and you just slick the hairs down. And I mean, like, it doesn't leave a residue. And I use it on all my units. And before, I would just pile on some like spray or a defrizz, and it kind of would leave it greasy and it would get all over the hair, but this just goes right on the top. 10 out of 10. Some features of the hair is it is dyed in the front, so I don't wear the lace front, you know, I don't glue the lace front down and leave it to make the edges with it. I just cut the lace front and tweeze the front up until my hairline. So I mean, personally, I don't really probably take advantage of this color as much as I could, but it's very pretty. It does show if I wave the hair. I noticed that I don't really ever shoot reviews with straight hair, so I did this one straight hair. Plus I love that straight hair bob look, so that's really what I was going for. But I get so many compliments when I do wave it. It's so pretty, and then you can really see this color here. Let me give you guys so you can see the back. I kind of just like bob the back a little bit. I could have done it a little more, but what are you gonna do? This is exactly how it came in terms of the length and how it was cut. I didn't do a single thing to it lengthwise, so that was really nice. I think it's a really high quality wig. In terms of hair from AliExpress and hair from here, I had that really bad experience with the bob from AliExpress. And there wasn't a lot of bobs to choose from, believe it or not. So, especially with this kind of cut that I didn't have to cut it myself. This is a 12-inch bob. They showed you the lengths, and I feel like 14 inches would have been a little too long in my opinion. So I love the length of it. If you have any questions about this hair, about anything at all, please feel free to ask me. Leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe. If you have a YouTube yourself and you want to leave your YouTube down below, feel free to do so. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave all the information about the hair and the website. I'll look for their Instagram and leave it down there so you can take a look at that too. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.